This does not look like it's going to be difficult at all, but it's going to be very fancy.
Did we start or should we start now? I took my thing off.
I started.
Welcome everyone.
We are making something different, elevated. This is elevated.
Sure.
This is fancy.
You think so?
This is fancy,
But easy.
but fancy. What are we making?
We are making beet and burrata stack.
So it's a stack. What does a stack mean?
We're going to stack the ingredients so that when you cut it and you can get a little bit of everything in each bite.
That's pretty easy. Doesn't seem difficult.
Pre-cooked beets.
Cooked.
You can roast your beets if you want to, but we're just using the pre-cooked ones today.
You've got a burrata for pistachios. We're not even shelling. We're using the wonderful pistachios.
Yeah, these are already shelled, so
Lightly
we're just
salted.
gonna chop them.
I'm gonna give you the beets first. These are from Jesse Tree. They're Italian. They're always very, very tasty.
All the work's done for you.
You don't have to worry about boiling them off and peeling them, so that's easy. A wider cut.
Slices, I want slices. Big, round slices.
Yes, dear.
You need to zest the orange, so we have the zest.
I love a good zester. Now you would like orange segments. Oh, that orange is good.
I will chop some pistachios. Okay, there's gotta be an easier way to do this. Maybe
Yeah, it's called, you just put them on a cutting board and crush them.
I will start the assembly.
I thought you're stacking.
Well, I'm gonna make bigger to smaller, like kind of like a tower. Roughly put the burrata on there.
That is not a stack, Kristen. You are not stacking.
Hey, I'm not done yet.
That's not a stack, that is a pile. Can't call it a stack if it's not a stack. How high are you going? You capped out the last time. I'm gonna make one as a stack. I'm risky if I go one higher.
So you need salt, pepper, thyme, orange zest, pistachios, and then drizzle with
Honey,
olive oil.
did you time me?
Time you?
Yeah.
Why, was it a race?
No, did you put time on mine?
Oh yeah. Yes, I did.
Both very different presentations, but beautiful.
Would you eat that?
Yeah, I would eat that. I think I need a piece of toasted bread, but it is very pretty, and that did not take very long. If you have like a complicated main course and you don't want to cook anything, this would be a very nice, simple,
Appetizer,
like, yeah, like
starter.
takes you like 5 minutes to put together, but it looks amazing. You're gonna like this.
Mine looks amazing.
You don't think mine looks amazing?
Well, mine's more rustic and messy.
Rate them, Derek. Make a little competition out of this.
I do kind of like the look of Giancarlo's. Not gonna lie.
Thanks, Derek. Thank you.
Wow.
Honesty is important, Kristen. Okay, we need honesty from people in this world.
Usually you do a better job.
Yeah, most 99.9% of the time.
We should try it, right?
Yep. You're happy?
I am very summery, very fresh. Tastes good with the orange and the pistachio. Gives it that crunch. I enjoy this.
Me too. That's good. Good meal. Very fancy. You'd pay $30 for that in a restaurant. You'd pay $30 for that in a restaurant. Okay, that was good. That was an easy episode.
Yeah, try it.
See ya.
Bye.